Hello everyone. So let's start discussing median. Here we are discussing data handling chapter of class 7. We have already discussed in our previous videos mean, mode. And now in this video we are going to discuss about median, which is one more central tendency, right? Okay, so here they have given a group of 17 students in your textbook, and these data are showing the heights in centimeter of these 17 students. All right, so these are the heights of these 17 students. Now the games teacher, she wants to divide this class into two groups so that each group has equal number of students. So she wants to divide this whole class in such a group that each group has equal number of students, right? So when something like this, when you need to have a number or the value that is exactly in the middle, so that the left side of the set of the data and the right side set of the data, they should have equal number, right? So in that case, we find out median. All right. In that case, we find out median. Now, if you see here, because the teacher wants to divide the class into two equal groups, what she will do is, see, first of all, if you notice, the data is not organized, right? They are not sorted out. So first we need to, and as such, always, whenever we are given data, we need to sort them out. Means we need to write them in ascending order. So now they have written it in ascending order here, 101 till 125. So these are the heights of the students, right? Now the middle value, see, if you count these numbers, so if you just in a simple way, if you do this, if you want to find out the middle value, what I'll do is, I'll take this number, then this number, and this number. Then I'll cut this number and this, because I want equal number in both the group. So I'll count like this. Okay, this and this, this and this, 112, 115, 115, 115. And now if you notice, the number here you are getting is 115, right? See. So this is your number. Hold on. Right? So this is your number, which is exactly in the middle. So that's median. See, the method I just showed you, it's possible when the number of observations are less. Okay? So when the number of observations are more, then what do we do? So before we start seeing that, let's first understand this, that what is exactly median? What we have just found out, that is median. Okay, this 115 is median, means now if you notice here, see, this data, which is on this side, okay, they have equal numbers, and this side, they also have equal number. Okay, let me draw it. So even they have equal number. Right? So on both the side, they have equal number of data. So this is what median is all about. So the middle value in this data is 115, because this value divides the students into two equal groups, that it's 8 students each side. So if you notice in this box 8 students, and in this box also 8 students. So this value is called median. So your 115 is your median, right? 115 becomes your median, okay, like this. 115 becomes your median. So median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in an increasing or decreasing order. That's always necessary, right? That goes without saying that whenever they give you some data, we need to first arrange them in ascending order, okay? Either in ascending or descending, whatever it may be. But normally we do is ascending. So you arrange that data and then you find out the median of that particular data. All right. So this is how median is all about. Now, but as I said that if the number of observations, if it's less, then it's very easy to find out the median. But what if the number of observations are much more, right? So first of all, what you have to do is when you want to find out median, right? See, either you are given even data, okay, or odd data. So either you have odd or even data, right? So that's how it is. Just a minute. So when you want to find out median, either you have even or odd data, okay? Either you have odd data or even data. Now, in case you have odd data, then what you have to do is, see, suppose you are given something like this. Let's say 15. 15 is your odd number, right? Now, how to find out middle value of this? Now, that's difficult because if you divide 15 divided by 2, right, just to make it equal halves, then you will get 7.5. Now, that's not something that your number, right? Means 7.5th value. Now, that's not something you can find it out. So, what you have to do is you just do n plus 1. Now, what is n? N here means the number of observation. N here means the number of observation divided by 2. See, if you just divide this, I'll just draw it here. You will just do like this, okay? And then you will write here 2. All right? So when you have odd number, whatever number is there, that is nth observation plus 1 divided by 2. So here if it is 15, then 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2, that is 8th number. All right. So that 8th number would be the median. In this case, if you see here, 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 17. So here, if you take this example itself, so 17 is your number. So what you have to do is 17 plus 1 divided by 2, right? You can simply write like this, divided by 2. Okay. So in that case, you will be 17 plus 1, 18. 18 divided by 2, that is 9th observation. Now 9th observation means 115. Okay, so here that is 8th number, total 8 students, and 9th students will be your median. So don't consider this 9 is your median. No, it's 9th observation is your median. Okay, so this is how it is. So this we are talking about when the number is odd. When your number is odd, like this.